Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload CSV files in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. To upload or import files into your WooCommerce, it is so easy. All you need to do is to go to the place or the type of the object that you want to import. And for example, we want to start importing products. We will simply go to the products page, and from here we will find import. Importing means we can upload CSV files. So I'm just going to click on import, and as you can see here, you will need just to choose a CSV file from your computer, and you can update existing products. So you can click on X, you choose a file, you click on continue, and after that you will be going to the column remapping. So column mapping means to check if the columns are similar to the ones in the products and the ones similar uh, to the CSV file, etc., etc. You click on continue and you start the importing process. You can do the same thing, I think, for the orders. You can also import orders if you had already some orders, or you can use some uh, plugins to start importing things. And basically, this is how you can do that. And you can also have, for example, you can have some plugins that would allow you to start importing a thing, or that would allow you to have more important feature for your WooCommerce. And basically, this is how you can start uploading CSV file in your products using WooCommerce or WordPress. Thank you for watching and see you next time.